Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add testimonials to Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding testimonials to Shopify is a straightforward process that you can do it either by using an app, embedding code, or manually creating testimonial section in your theme. Alright, so depending on how you set up your Shopify, I want you to go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click the online store, and you should be able to see the themes. Of course, from here, all you have to do is click the edit code. Alright. Click that, and from here, now what we're doing is we are going to manually adding testimonials without using an app. Of course, you can create custom testimonial section by modifying your theme. Basically, this method is available on any theme template, because right now I'm using Dawn, but if you're using other template, don't worry, because this will work as well. All right, now once you are on the edit code backend editor, right, look for a section that allows you to add testimonials. Some themes comes with a pre-built testimonial sections. If you don't have it, especially Dawn, it doesn't have the testimonial sections, and we're going to add it manually by editing the code. And from here, all we have to do is go to the section. This is going to be this one. I want you to add a new section. All right. Now, when you click on it, you need to choose liquid, not JSON. All right. Make sure you are on liquid. And this is going to be a sample of testimonials. Paste it in, click on done, and then what will happen is wait for it. And then here you would be able to have this code. Now, once it's added, I want you to click the preview store to see if we have added the now my backend is cluttered. I'm gonna delete this for now. Now, once you have saved the liquid code, I want you to hover to the homepage of your store. For example, this one, you have like homepage, products, collections, collection list, and gift card. Of course, all I have to do is click on homepage. Now, on the template, you might want to click and add another block, right? Because we can't find the testimonials yet, right? All I have to do is add a section. Click on the custom liquid. And the custom liquid, you might want to put in the code that we have saved earlier. You see that? That's going to be the code. Now here you have the testimonials already. All right. Then you can drop it down here, this down at the bottom, if you want. Now you can add another announcement bar here. Add announcement and say something like testimonials. Right? That's one way for you to add. You see that? I'm going to now, if you want to add a testimonial slider to your theme or your Shopify store, I want you to exit the Dawn theme right now. And we're going to the apps. All right. And from here, what we need to type in is, let's type in testimonial and press enter. Now, there's a lot of options that you can use here, from the slidey testimonial carousel, testimonials masters, But I'm suggesting for you to use is, if you can find the elf site here, press enter. If you type in elf site and we can't find, I'm gonna control F to find the testimonials. As you can see, there's no testimonials. What I'm going to do is go to their official website, which is, this is going to be their official website, elf site. You can upgrade your website without coding, and we're going to look for the testimonial slider to make our store a little bit dynamic and interactive. All you have to do is sign up for free. It's really easy. I'm going to do that right now. Of course, you can continue with your Google or continue with your Facebook or email and just follow along, all right? After that, we're going to search for a specific widget, and that's going to be the testimonial slider. There you go, this one, the trending. I want you to click on it. Just wait for it to load, and of course, we can select in the templates that has been provided by elf site. You see that? Client say slider, rotator, carousel, cards, so it's all up to you. But for now, I'm gonna use the slider, and I'm gonna click on the continue with this template button here on the bottom left corner. I'm going to click on publish. Now, you see, if you wanted to test waters and wanted to gauge elf site, you might want to select the free for now, and if you wanted to scale up later, you might want to choose the basic, pro, and premium. All right, I'm gonna click on select the free option for now. Now, you see, all we have to do is to simply copy and paste this code into the desired place of your website, HTML editor, website template, theme, etc. Of course, we're going to the Shopify. I'm gonna click on it. There's gonna be a small guide here, but I'm going to the add custom liquid section to the target page. Now I'm going back to the, I'm gonna exit this one. I'm going back to the online store. I'm hovering to the pages and select the pages that I want. For example, the contact us option. All right, I'm gonna click on it, and of course, there should be an option that says show HTML. Now from here, we're going to paste the copied code from the elf site. I'm going to save it. And then we need to view that on the page or our Shopify store to see if it worked correctly. You see that? You see that's going to be your testimonial sliders, and this is going to be the manual testimonials that we have added via the custom liquid. All right, and that's it for today's video. As you can see, you have a dynamic and creative testimonial sliders here to Shopify. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.